Here we have a Kubota L48 tractor backhoe. Recently purchased a 12-inch backhoe bucket since I couldn't find a used one online. Here we go. Fit perfectly. No problems in attaching it. And you might say a 12-inch bucket is too small for a lot of purposes for a backhoe of this size, but for my digging some drainage ditches, it was just perfect to take out a 12-inch hole. I'm very satisfied with the way that this was constructed. It fit perfectly, as you can see. The quick attach fit perfectly on the bucket and on the backhoe. No issues whatsoever. Teeth are strong. I'm completely satisfied with my purchase. Thanks again. Bye.